Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're all doing fantastic today. I am feeling good, so I hope you out there are feeling good too. So, I am bringing you a Poundland haul. These are stuff that I've gathered over the past couple of weeks because I work there. I don't tend to do big shops, I just buy things as and when I see them. So, this is a rundown from the past couple of weeks. First of all, cheesy twists. These were 25p, and yes, I've already opened them. I've already ate half a packet, and I've already ate the packet that I bought before this. So, 25p, bargain. I've got 2 bags. Then I've got a couple of bargains. These are the Airwick mulled wine candles. I picked up 2. There was £2 each, but I got them for £1 each. I didn't actually know about these until a customer bought them, and she picked up a similar one, and she was like, "Oh, it says £1 there." And then I went back to check, and it was these for £1. So I picked up 2 for myself. So bargain. It smells amazing, and the beep 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 is my food in the oven. Don't know if you can hear a beep beep beep, but my oven's going beep beep beep. Then I want to do some baking, and I've seen this fudge flavoured icing, and it was reduced to £1. So I'm presuming it's normally £2. I've never seen it in Poundland before, but then again, I haven't really been looking. So this was £1. It does go out of date at the end of the month, but unless it starts to go green and furry, I eat it. So yeah. Cadbury icing for £1. I thought I'd make a cake, stick some of this on it, and stick it in my mouth. Then I bought some more snacks. Cream eggs, another fantastic piece of item. It's good food. It's chocolate. It's one of my favourites. That's what I was trying to get at. So £1. Cream egg twists. Twisted. Then, for Valentine's Day, their range, why isn't it coming out? This must be the best thing ever. It's a pizza cutter in the shape of a bike. Can we just appreciate that it's a pizza cutter in the shape of a bike? It cuts pizza and it's in the shape of a bike. This is amazing. £2 though. I did think it was going to be £1, but £2. I still bought it. And what's that? Oh my god, oh my god, you can stand it up. You can stand the bike up. And I'll just need, wait. Oh my god, it's a double cutter. That cut, both of them cut. I thought that was just a wheel. Oh my god, this is the best thing ever. That's a little stand. Does that go in there? Yes, does it stand up? Obviously. Oh my god, why don't it stand up? You can't see it, but it stands up. Oh my god, I want to show you. Let's just like, can you see it there? You see that, yeah. The bike stands up. I think my chair just creaked. The bike stand, that is so cool. I want pizza now. I'm having chicken and bacon wraps, but it's too late to switch to pizza. Okay, tomorrow night I'm buying a pizza and testing that out. This chair, I feel like it's going to break. I really want a new chair. I have seen one, but it's £60, and I don't want to pay that much for a chair that I'm going to sit on to film YouTube videos on. And this tripod keeps moving. So, what else did I get? That's what you're saying, isn't it? So, another part of the Valentine's Day range is this mug. This was £2. It says "Hello Handsome," and you get a pair of socks. And they're big socks. Didn't get it. I didn't get it for anyone. I got it for me because is that sad getting a mug saying "Hello Handsome," but like that is huge. You can dip a whole lot of biscuits in that cup of tea. Not that I drink tea. I just like Dunkin' biscuits and love a pair of novelty socks. Personally, I wish somebody was buying it me, but no. This is my Valentine's Day gift for myself: a £2 mug. And some socks. But yes, I bought it for the mug. There was another one saying, "I love you this much," but that was a bit too cheesy to buy myself. So, "Hello Handsome," I feel like I can get away with buying that myself. Who agrees? So, £2 mug and a pair of socks, £2. Last but not least from this bag, I bought some Cheetos football cheese flavoured baked corn snacks. If you haven't tried these are great, and they're £1. I was first introduced to these in B&M, and then Poundland started selling them, so I picked up a bag of these. Then on to another bag. This is the final bag. Well, there's been 2 bags, and this is a heavy one. So from Pet & Co, I picked up these. They are thin. They're thin joggers. They're classed as joggers. They've got a camo, like a cargo pocket at the side. Don't know if you can see that. And they are cuffed at the bottom. I can't really show you the detail because they're black on black. But yeah, I like them. These was £8, was not too bad. I just wanted a pair of joggers that I can wear around the house when I'm not doing anything, when I'm not going anywhere. But if I need to run to the shop, I don't have to get changed because I'm wearing these. Because I can stick on a hoodie and it looks like I'm wearing a pair of cargo trousers, when in fact I'm wearing joggers. That is a cool story, so yes, £8 for those. Then, another bargain. This is Flash All-Purpose Cleaner. This huge bottle was £2, and because it's scented of spiced apple, it was reduced to £1 because it's Christmas stock. So that huge bottle, £1, and I thought that was a bargain. And it's all-purpose, so I can use it kitchen, bathroom, all-purpose. £1. I went a bit mad on my cleaning stuff. I didn't really need to go mad on my cleaning stuff because I've got far too much cleaning stuff, and I have pretty much got enough cleaner to last me a lifetime. But yes, I choose to buy more because this one says it's for the bathroom. This is Fabulosa Disinfectant Dazzling Bathroom, and the scent is Dark Intrigue. Ooh, why can't I have the like perfume smelling like that? Because that smells nice. That smells nice. That's for the bathroom because it says bathroom. Then I bought one that says kitchen. This is Spotless Kitchen. I don't know if that. Well, actually, I've seen them in other places, but not Poundland. So I bought them when they came in Poundland recently. Berry fruit tea. That one is. And I love it, that's already pre-mixed in the spray bottle. Then I bought a sparkling glass one for glass. And I think I can do my windows with this. Mind you, windows is glass, so yeah, I can do glass windows with a glass cleaning spray. Then I got this berry fruit tea spray and wear. So it's for your clothes. It's not a substitute to. Oh, it's vegan. Does that say vegan? Yeah. Oh, it's vegan. Yeah, it's not a substitute for aftershave or perfume, but it's to spray on your clothes when they're smelling a bit funky, when they've been in your wardrobe for a bit too long. Oh, and that smells nice. So after this video, I am going to go to my whole wardrobe and spray everything I've got with this. £1. Last but not least, this is Laundry Cleanser. Now, if people have watched my last video, then you will know that I am so relieved to actually say laundry cleanser or laundry conditioner or laundry detergent, because all these words are coming back to me now. They are. A couple of weeks late, but they're in there. So yes, this is again berry fruit tea, Fabulosa disinfectant, but this is for your laundry. Big bottle, but this is £2, not £1. And oh, I've got one more. This is Silver Shades Spray and Wear. So it's another clothes one. I just like the bottle of this one. At first I thought there was a printing error, but it's actually silver and black. Oh my god, which one am I going to use? These would be great if you're going on holiday and you can just switch your okay, what's it called? You put clothes in it. Suitcase. Spray your suitcase. I swear, like, I remember one word and then another word just pushes right out of my brain. So, that is it. that is everything I got from Poundland in the past couple of weeks. If you've got any of these products and you really highly like them, let me know down below. If there's any of these products that you really highly hate, let me know down below. We can have a discussion. And I shall catch you in another video. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And thank you very much for watching. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.